Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie from a fashion secret, a fairy secret. Why did I say fashion? A fairy secret on Dress Room Press, removing everything except for the ones I did use accessory adjustments on. And yes, I did use some VIP items. So for the hair, use this hair in this color F2C166 in only bangs. Position the Z to 0.55, rotate the X to 0.51. And then grab these bangs in that same color and no adjustments made, and then select this updo as well, this one, and then grab this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.53, Z 0.58, and then grab this belt from VIP and color it this gray color. In the first toggle, position the Y at 0.70, Z 0.46, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.31. For the dress, we're going to use this dress in silk in this purple 8418 CD. And then we are going to grab this top here in this color A82D7E in silk. Then we're going to go to the dressing rooms. We're going to grab this in no ribbon in that same color in silk, and then in that same color as well for the bottom here. For the earrings, I did again use a VIP item. I used these earrings in all white. And then for the necklace, I'm just going to mix these together, this one in white as well as this one from Codes. If I can just find it. Hello. Oh, I wasn't even on Code, sorry. And then color it white as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.